In short, I have never been to Ethiopia, and I do not live in the shoes of a Mursi person. Everything I'm going to say is my personal perspective, built through reading. I want us to talk about the Mursi community, living in the remote Lower Omo Valley in southwestern Ethiopia. They are farmers who maintain their customs of women lip plates, stick fighting, and body modification through scarification. I was interested in their unique way of life, their tradition, hanging out with people, helping women with their work, and playing with the children. Still, there is something I need to pay attention to. Where I need to pay attention. We as a tourist can inadvertently be rude without even being aware of it. We admire a different way of life, and that is a beautiful thing. At first, I caught wind of a problem called human safari. I wasn't sure what it meant. I watched the documentary Framing the Other, which led me to think more deeply. The documentary gives the perspective of the tribal people themselves. We tourists go to them, like their uniques, photograph them, pay them, and go home with a souvenir photo. It seems incomically fine at first glance. The Ethiopian government relocated the Mursi tribe to make room for agricultural projects. This destroys the Mursi semi-nomadic way of life and cuts them from their water sources. People are forced to be photographed just to make a living, because they have been stripped of the ability to provide for themselves. The documentary points out that young girls choose to cut their lower lips and wear clay plates just to appeal to tourists and earn enough to survive. Experiencing things in a beautiful way. I don't think there is anything wrong with enjoying tradition, from different skin color to clothing, jewelry, behavior and celebrations. And let's not be sad, because this is not the end. We can enjoy spending time with the people, playing with the children, helping them with their work, learning about their way of life, having new experiences and making new friends. There are legitimate agencies for visiting the Mursi tribe, agencies that look out for the tribe's interests and maintain a good relationship with them. They educate tourists on how to behave when they arrive in the community. The community benefits through food and essential items provided by these agencies, using our money. Agency Responsible Travel. If we are going to someone's home as a guest, we would probably joke around and chat with them rather than just taking pictures of them and their children. Why should it be any different for the Mursi people?